everyone. So for today's craft, I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own homemade kazoo. This craft is super easy. All you need is a toilet paper roll, a piece of wax paper, a rubber band, and some markers, and that's it. To start off this craft, you're gonna get your toilet paper roll and you can color it. You can also use paints if you want instead of markers, and you can color it any way you like. So I've already colored one for the purposes of this video, but you take the time to do that and you can make it as detailed as you want. And once you're done coloring it, then you're ready to start making your kazoo. So you're going to take your piece of wax paper. If you don't have a piece already, it's pretty easy to just cut out, and hopefully you have wax paper around your home. So I'm going to take the square of wax paper and put it over top of my toilet paper roll like this, and just make sure that it's covering the entire end of the toilet paper roll. So you're going to hold it like that, and then you're going to take your rubber band and just wrap it around a few times to hold the wax paper in place. And that's that step, so it should look like that when you're done. And now what you're going to do is get a pencil, and this step is optional, but you can poke a hole in the side of the toilet paper roll using a pencil, and it's pretty easy. Just be careful that you don't poke yourself. So I just put a hole there, and you can make as many holes as you want in yours. I just made one. And that's all the steps there is to making your own homemade kazoo. So there you go. And then once you're done, you can either sing or yell or hum into the end of it, and it vibrates the wax paper and makes a really cool sound. So you'll have to test it out with different sounds. That's how it sounds. There you go. So that's the end of this video. I hope you can have fun making your own homemade kazoo. Enjoy!